Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we are going to be showing you how to make red pesto sauce. Cue the music. Alright, well thanks a lot for being here today. If this is your first time joining us, please do me a favor, go down and hit that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new content. Also be aware that the recipe and a lot of groovy links are down in that description box, so make sure you check that out before leaving this video. You clicked on this video to have me show you how to make red pesto sauce. Let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are for this. We are going to start out with 8 ounces of angel hair pasta, 8 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes, preferably packed in oil, 1 roasted red pepper from a jar, 3 garlic cloves, half a cup of fresh basil leaves, a half a cup of fresh Parmesan cheese, and a little olive oil and salt and pepper as needed. Let's start making this. Okay, I've got a little blender here that I'm going to use to add our ingredients to. First thing we're going to do is take our sun-dried tomatoes. The whole can, or jar, I'm sorry, is 8 ounces. So add 8 ounces into there. We have our red peppers. I'm just going to take 1 or 2 out of there. Well, 1 should be enough for that. Now you want to make sure you're using the peppers and the sun-dried tomatoes that are in oil. That will certainly help the recipe. Go ahead and throw the basil in there, our garlic, and our Parmesan cheese. We're going to taste this as we go along. Go ahead and blend it up now. And that salt and pepper is needed. I'm going to go ahead and give this a taste. A little salt and pepper. I'm going to throw a little bit of olive oil in here. Blend it up just a little bit more. I have got all of the clumps out of this. So I'm just going to take this out and put it into our bowl. Our pasta, just like I said, is cooking over there. Maybe I didn't say it, but we are going to save about a cup of that pasta water that we're going to use when we start mixing the pasta into this sauce. So I'm going to go drain the pasta and we'll start mixing this up again with the pasta. Okay, so there it is. It's kind of thick right now, as you can see, but I'm going to go ahead and add our pasta, 8 ounces of pasta to this. And I'm just going to kind of blend in all this together to kind of get the sauce to add here. Throw a little bit of that pasta water in here just so it all blends together. You want the pesto to be a little sauce consistency. You don't want it to be clumpy like that. Kind of like a bolognese. Once it starts getting off the side of the bowl, you will know that this looks really, really good as it is. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. We're going to plate it. I'm going to put it into the timeline with some really groovy music, take some beautiful pictures of it. Then we're going to come back and we're going to give this a taste. Don't go anywhere. food. I can't wait to try this. This smells really, really good. And it just takes some really pretty pictures too. So, I love angel hair. It's my favorite pasta. That sauce just sticks right to it. It almost reminds me a little bit of a tamponade with the texture. Here goes. This is outstanding. I've never had this before. I've never made it before. I do love pesto with just straight basil and pine nuts and parmesan and olive oil and garlic. But this is a different take on it. It's incredible. I mean, it's really, really good. I've got a lot left over there I can take for lunch. There you go. Let me describe it. It's oily. That oil that comes in the packages of the red pepper and the tomatoes really adds flavor to it. Of course, we added our own olive oil to it. It's got a hearty flavor. This would be really good with some sauteed mushrooms in it. But the tomato, not acidic at all. It's got a very earthy flavor. The basil, of course, gives it the flavor of the pesto. There's surprisingly no nuts in this, like walnuts or pine nuts or anything. But you get to taste the garlic. But it's got a very smooth, very oily, delicate balance to it. Very, very good with this pasta too, with the delicate noodle of an angel hair. So I'm going to keep eating this. You guys take care of yourselves. Thanks a lot for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Be sure to comment down below. Make sure you like this video and then share it with everybody that you know. Take care of yourselves. God bless. We will see you again real soon. Bye-bye.